Yeah, the word is govern. Inca. It means to experience something bad. Rules are imposed from the outside. There is a difference between penalty and punishment. What you think it is right. Base it on principles and forget the rules. There's the difference between principles and rules. What's that? Very simple. But we'll have to understand the meanings of 10 words. The words I'll use to make you comprehend the difference between principles and rules. Let's have a look at the meanings of these 10 words. First, idea. A suggestion for doing something, or a plan for doing something, or an understanding in your mind, or picture in your mind, or the word idea means thought. Thought, this is the second word. We will have to understand the meaning of. Thought is a product of thinking. Thought is something, again, it's something such as opinion, belief in the mind. Third, govern. Yeah, the word is govern. It means to control and manage. Fourth, behavior. It's our action in a particular way. Fifth, comply. It means to act according to another, or to act according to a set of rules, or to act according to request. Sixth, community. It means the people living in one particular area, or people who are considered as a unit because of their common interests, their common social group, or their common nationality. I'm sure you picked the point. Seventh, determine. It means to control or influence directly, or to decide. Eighth, impose. To force someone to accept something, especially a belief or way of living. Ninth, incur. It means to experience something bad as a result of actions you have taken. 10th, penalty. A disadvantage brought about as a result of a situation or action. I believe that you were familiar with all of these 10 words. I, at the same time, think that your concepts are clearer now. What do you say? I'm sure you do think so. Let's move forward and discuss the difference between the two. I mean, principles and rules. These both things, I mean principles and rules, determine the way you act, or determine the way you take decisions. I'm sure you picked the point. What's that? These two things, principles and rules, determine the way. the way you act or the way you take decisions. Then, what's the difference? Very, very important. Both of them determine the way. But what's the difference? Very simple. Rules are imposed from the outside. Again, rules are imposed from the outside and must be obeyed to avoid incurring some kind of penalty. Penalty, a punishment, a fine, a layoff, a season in jail, etc. A point. There is a difference between penalty and punishment. What's that? We shall discuss in our coming sessions, inshallah. I'm sure you've got the idea that rules are imposed from the outside, whereas principles are internal. Again, principles are internal and force you to do what you think it is right. Again, what you think it is right. The first difference. The fundamental ideas that govern someone's thought or behavior are called principles, whereas rules are that which must be complied with because it has been agreed within a community. I'm sure your concept is clear now, mashallah. There are 3 points I would love to share with you. First point, rules appear when the principles are not very clear. Second point, working under principles is natural and requires no effort. Third point, if you want to create something worthwhile, base it on principles and forget the rules. What do you say? Think. Thank you. See you soon, inshallah.